Hello, class 4th. A very good morning to all of you. I hope all my kids are doing happy and healthy at their home or at their place. So, class 4th, as you all know that we are doing chapter number 12 of our EVS, and the name of this chapter is Changing Times. We have learned about how the time changes, how the life of people changes from living to a kacha house to living to a pakka house, from living to a small rented house to living in big storehouses. We have seen how the life of the people has changed. Furthermore, class, we have also studied about the partition of our country, that India was divided into two parts, that was India and Pakistan. So now moving for today's session. In our today's session, we are going to discuss the assignment book, page number 55, 56 and 57, and these questions have to be done in the book itself. So now let's begin with the session. Number one question is multiple choice questions, and we all know that certain options are given and you have to write down or you have to take the correct option. So first is, why does Chetan Das liked his house the best? So you have to tell me, why did Chetan Das liked his house the best? And the options are: the house was built by his Baba. Number B, the house was just like his earlier house. Number C, it was made up of cement. Or D, all of the above. So class, we have learned when Chetan Das has moved to his new house, his father has built his house just like the house which he has left in Pakistan. So the answer to this question is B, Pakistan. Next question, India got freedom from British rule in. We have learned that in 1947 India got freedom from Britishers. It was 15th August 1947. So answer is B, 1947. Next question is that Sona village is situated in which state? We have learned this. So it is, was it in Bihar? No. In Haryana? Yes. So the answer to this question is B, Haryana. Next question, write the names of the professions in the blanks. So certain hints have been given and you have to tell which professions does this type of work. Number one, a person who repairs taps and pipes. We all know that it is the work of the plumber. So the first answer is plumber. Next question, a person who fits electric wires and plugs. We all know that it is the work of an electrician. So the answer to second is electrician. Next question, a person who lays bricks and tiles. So this type of work is done by mason. Okay, so mason's work is to lay bricks and tiles. Next question, a person who makes things out of wood. So who creates beautiful things out of wood? So it is carpenter. The work of carpenter is to create beautiful things out of wood. Next question, a person who paints walls, doors, etc. And we all know it is the work of the painter. Painter paints walls, doors and etc. Now moving on to the page number 56, we can see different types of gas stoves and we have to name them. So class, it is with the passage of time we have used different types of gas stove. Earlier, during the early times, we use chula. So the first image, the A image is chula. Next is, you can see this, and we have already seen these things in the market. So we call it at barbecued stone. Okay, and we have seen this in the market. We have seen this type of stove in the dhabas as well as at certain restaurant. Next is very common and generally used at our home. So the answer to this is stove. We all have this, and this is called as stove. Next is D. So we all have microwave. So the image shows microwave, and we all make things like we bake cake here, we make noodles, we make rice. So the answer to this is D. Next, E is solar cooker. It is with the new technology that with the help of sunlight we can make food, and this type of food is cooked in vessels called solar cooker. And the last is induction. This type of gas stove is worked with the help of electricity. Okay, next page, move on to page number 57. Question number 4. Give reasons for the following. You have to give me the reasons for the following questions which are given. Chetan Das parents left their house in Dera Ghazi Khan and came to Delhi. So why did Chetan Das parents left their house in Dera Ghazi Khan and came to Delhi? So the answer was that, class, we all know because India got freedom from British rule, and India and Pakistan became two independent countries, and the people who want to move to India have to leave their home. And the same was with the story with Chetan Das. His father wanted to move to India and they want to settle in India. That is the reason they left their home that was there in Ghazi Khan and they shifted to Delhi. Next question. Raju's wife stand while cooking on the gas stove. So why did Raju's wife stand while cooking on the gas stove? And the answer was because she does not use the clay chula. We have learned about Chetan Das wives, and we have learned that when she used to cook on the chula, she used to sit. But we have learned that when Raju's wife used to cook, she used to stand because she does not use chula, she used gas stove. Next is Chetan Das' mother coated the floor with cow dung and mud. So why did Chetan Das' mother coated the floor with cow dung and mud? Because it would keep the insects away. So cow dung and mud help to keep the insects away. Next is fifth question. Name of the person and what that works done. So you have, there is the name of the person given and you have to tell me what work is done by them. Number 1 is architect. We know that the work of the architect is to design the structure of the house. So whatever house we are living, it is designed by the architect. Next is electrician. As we have learned about the function of the electrician, it helps in the repairing of wires. Next is mason, helps in laying down the bricks and cement. Then we talk about carpenter. You know that carpenter makes beautiful things from the wood. Next is painter. Painter helps to paint the wall of the house as well as the doors. Next is plumber. Plumber repairs taps and pipes. Last is bricklayer, helps to lay down the bricks. So class, today we will be doing page number 57. Make sure every one of you do this in your assignment book and submit the work on time. Alright, thank you.